right. Hey, it is Ask the Attorney Wednesday, and David E. Gordon is in to answer your questions on car accidents, and he's got something for you folks, just something to have. David Gordon is giving, it's a giving season.
Right. I've got 2 booklets, Valerie. The first one's called Answers to 50 Questions Injured People Ask, and this is just filled with answers to questions that I found are most common to injured people. Got a section called Claim Value and Lawyers, a section on automobile accidents, a section on job injuries. Anyway, I want folks to have this. We give it to our clients at the first meeting, but I want your viewers to have it. And then I've got 10 ways to get more money for your injury. These are just simple things, but you'd just be surprised how few people do these easy things.
So how do the people get them? Will you mail them to them?
Yes, I'll mail them. If you'll just call me at 818-4889. I'll be glad to send it. My office will get your address, and we'll put these in the mail to you.
What's your number again?
818-4889.
All right, sounds good. Sounds good. All right, Brandy writes in, 2 years ago, she was in an accident. The lady hit her on the passenger side. Now, she got a ticket for no insurance. The sheriff made the move from the street to the parking lot because it was snowing, and she was supposed to stay where the accident happened. Is she at fault?
Well, of course, there's no way for us to tell from that question who's at fault. Who's at fault in the accident.
Exactly.
But she was right to stay on the scene until the officer arrived. But once the sheriff arrives and tells you to move to the parking lot, then of course it's safe to do that. The sheriff's trying to promote traffic flow.
Right, okay. I think we'd need more information, wouldn't we? Yeah,
we would. We can't tell who's at fault in that accident.
All right, Lacey says that she was in a wreck a year ago, sued the girl, and the court granted her recovery. Now she's not sure what to do. Does she just sit and wait and hope they pay her? Or, I mean, how does that work?
You know, this is a common misunderstanding. A person thinks that if they get a judgment like she got against somebody, that, you know, there'll be a check in the mail in a day or two. But if you don't have a case against an insurance company who will write you a check in a few days if you win, if you've just got a case against an individual, you have to find assets.
Oh, man. So she either has to do it herself or probably hire an expert.
Right. She's going to have to find a car to go pick up or a bank account to levy on. The court will help you do that, but you've got to find the asset. They're not looking for assets for you.
I guess a lawyer is a way to go if you're not going to do it yourself.
Right.
Oh, boy. All right. And lastly, Joe asked, he had a friend who was the suspected victim of one of those rear end setups where 2 cars worked together, hit him. He had no time to react or hit his brakes. Are Tennessee drivers completely defenseless in situations like this?
Well, I do think they're largely defenseless, but insurance companies have records of accidents.
Okay.
You know, if any one of us applies for insurance right now, if with any major company, in a minute they can pull up our record.
Okay.
And they can see every accident we've had. So somebody like this has a big history of accidents. So it is possible that an insurance company would refuse to pay it when they see that it's their 10th accident.
Okay. Well, we'll see. I don't know that it helps him.
I'm not sure
in this case. All right, but thank you, David Gordon. Again, if you can give him a call or to get one of those booklets, the number's on the screen, 818-4889. David E. Gordon, we thank you for stopping by.
My pleasure.
Where's your sweater vest?
I'm sorry I didn't get that.
All right, next time. Because Wednesday's always Sweater Vest Wednesday. We'll be back.